Hello students, let us see this problem from GATE 2024. So in this question they have given you circuit. So you can easily identify this is the Clamper circuit and they're applying this input wave and they're asking what will be the output. So by looking this circuit we can identify this is the positive Clamper and the shift of the signal will be always in the direction of the current. So because if we see the positive cycle, in positive cycle current cannot flow because diode will be reverse bias. So only negative cycle this capacitor will get charged. So the diode is given ideal, so there will be no voltage drop and this capacitor will charge up to the maximum voltage of input, that is this will charge in this direction. So here the voltage across capacitor will be VC, which is equal to 3 which will be equal to 3 volt. Okay, and once it is charged up to 3 volt, now this diode will always come in reverse bias condition because this voltage input can be at max equal to this voltage. Okay, and now we can find the output. So if I write this output, this will be minus V input minus 3 volt and plus V naught equals to 0. So V naught will be equal to V input plus 3. Okay, now V input can go from minus to plus. So if V input is minus 3 volt, okay, so V input is minus 3 volts, so your V output becomes 0 volt. And if V input is 3 volt, your V output will become 6 volt. Okay, so if I now draw the output waveform, so minus 3 you'll get 0 and plus 3 volt you'll get 6 volt. So like this you can draw the output waveform. Okay, so maximum voltage will be 6 and minimum will be 0. That means the option A given in the question is the correct answer. So this is the waveform and this is your 6 volt and this is given as option A. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, it's a very simple question. Okay, thank you very much.